Here's everything you'll need for installation. Step 1. Place the system in a suitable location. Step 2. Use the short connector hose to connect the pre-filter to the softener tank. Step 3. Identify your shower type. For a fixed shower head, remove your existing shower head. Wrap plumber's tape around the shower arm threads to help prevent leaks. Install the shower diverter. Then connect the diverter to the pre-filter using the supplied hose. Make sure the rubber washer is installed to prevent leaks. For a handheld shower head, simply unscrew the shower hose from the shower arm, insert the rubber washer, then connect the hose directly to the pre-filter. Step 4. Turn the 2 vertical valves on top of the softener tank to the flush position. Step 5. Turn on the shower and let the water run for about 3 minutes. This flushes out any small particles from the new softener. A light yellow color at first is completely normal. The water will become clear after flushing. Step 6. Switch the valves to the operating position. Insert a rubber washer into the fitting. Choose the hose length that works best for your setup and connect it to the outlet of the softener tank. Step 7. Insert a rubber washer into the fitting. Connect the other end of the hose to your shower head. Then reinstall the shower head. Step 8. Double-check all valve positions to make sure the water is flowing in the correct direction. Your installation is now complete. Use the included water hardness test kit to compare your tap water and shower water and see the difference right away. Now enjoy your soft water shower.